Hello guys, this is Lowell C. Cuevas, a second year student from Southwestern University, FINMA, from the College of Dentistry. And along with me is Laila Erica C. Tampos, a grade 10, a grade 10 student from Oslo National High School. And she will be my trainee for today's video. And thank you for being here.
You're welcome.
Say hi to the viewers.
Hi.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you today, are you physically active?
Yes, I am.
That's good. And do you regularly engage to physical activities like exercises?
Sometimes.
How about workouts?
No.
Or engaging to sports?
No.
Okay. That's okay. And do you know what fitness program is?
No.
That's okay. So I'm gonna tell you what fitness program is. So fitness program is a plan to aid someone enhancing their physical and mental well-being. So why is this important? So it is one of the best things we can do for our health. It helps you lose weight. It increases our balance and coordination. It lowers the risk of us getting chronic diseases. And it also enhances our sleep and reduce stress. So I'm sure there are still a lot more benefits that we can get from fitness program, but these are just what I chose to explain to you the benefits for the fitness program. So I'm now gonna share to you also my experience on my PE1 and PE2. So actually it was fun, and sometimes I also felt tired because of those workouts that we do, and also of the lots of body pain. But actually I fixed my eyes towards one goal, which is to lose weight and be physically fit. Actually I did benefit a lot on the experience since I did lose weight, which always shocks my friends who haven't seen me in a long time. So I have pictures here that I'm gonna show the difference. Yeah, somewhere here. Every time before we do workout, do you know what to do first?
Yes. To warm up first before exercise.
Yeah, that's good. Warm up. So do you know why we need to do warm up first?
No.
That's okay. So I'm gonna explain to you. So warm up exercises increases your heart rate and therefore your blood flow. This enables more oxygen to reach your muscles. Warm up also activates and primes the connections between your nerve and muscles, which improves the efficiency of movement. And that's all for now, and I hope you will apply these learnings to yourself with or without my supervision as your trainer. And thank you also for listening also to my experiences in PE1 and PE2. And once again, this is Lowell C. Cuevas, the trainer, and Laila Erica C. Tampos, my trainee. And that's it for now. Goodbye, guys.